Hi everyone, today I am going to unbox and make a review about Google Nest Mini. Google Nest Mini is the successor of Google Home Mini, so without any delay, let's get into the review. This is the packing of Google Nest Mini. On front we have the logo and the picture of the device. On one side we have audio and video services which you can connect with Nest Mini. On the back just a home pic with Nest Mini inside it. And on this side OK Google logo. Underneath this box there is some usual description. The color which I have is carbon and it is available in 4 different colors. Other colors are grey, coral, kind of pink and orange mixture, and sky which is light blue. Now I will open the box. This is Google Nest Mini and it looks quite similar like its predecessor Google Home Mini from front and from back too. The fabric on this device is similar to Home Mini, but now it is made up of 100% recycling material. I will put the device on a side and look what else comes in the box. Here it is quick start guide manual and a privacy manual about the usage of the device. And here is the power cable for Nest Mini with a large brick. So this is all in the box. On the Nest Mini we have a power cable socket and a physical button in order to mute the microphone in case you do not want to use them anytime. In the Home Mini there were 2 mics, but in Nest Mini the Google has added another mic so that it can pick up your voice with better clarity and accuracy from different parts of the room. And this will also help in noisy environment of your room. Google also added wall mounting in Nest Mini, a small but a good and convenient addition. Google also added better speakers in Nest Mini which have 2 times more powerful bass than its ancestor. Now I will set up the Nest Mini. I will first plug it in and now you can see the lights are turning on and it starts booting. I have an Android phone, but you can easily set it up with Apple phone too. For setting it up we need Google Home app. I have already installed the app and now I will open the app. I will select the new device option. It is asking for home nickname and I will write Sweet Home, and you can write whatever you want. I will skip the address step for now, but it is important because of weather services and traffic information. And now it will search for the device. And here we go, it found the Nest Mini device. And now it is connecting with it. It will take some time for connecting with the device and I can see the lights changing their color on the device. Now the device is connected and here we have an option by the Google that we can share the device data to help improve the Nest Mini. But you have choice if you do not want to share the data. Now we have option to select in which room our device should be. I will select the bedroom option. Then we have option to connect it with Wi-Fi and I will connect it with home Wi-Fi because I am at home. It will take a while and now we are connected. These are some Google services terms for using data and privacy policy. I will press next for now, but I will suggest you to read at least privacy policy settings. We have option to match our voice and this will help the Google to identify each person and then optimize the search accordingly. There are some more terms and conditions. Now you can put your address here that can help to integrate the service according to your location. You can link different music services of your own choice. You can also link video services, and this is for if you ask Nest Mini to play on Chromecast, but I will skip this for now. We can also set the Nest Mini for voice calls. In Nest Mini, Google added an extra feature that it can be used as intercom and you can talk to other people in your home. So now we are almost done, and these are all important options which we have to set up. Now the app is giving an overview about the controls. So tap in the center will play and pause the music. And the other difference is from Home Mini is that we can change the volume by tapping on the left and right side. And the next thing is that it is telling about the kill switch for mics, which I have already told you earlier. One feature that Google will add through software update is that we can move our music on different speakers in the home. Now you can hear the sound quality of Nest Mini. This is all, and thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, and please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more contents.